Hi my peeps, so welcome guys. As me come, me have to put them breadfruit here for roast because me I try roast them out by the wood fire tomorrow because it's kind of a little bit late now, and guys, me not make them spoil. So look there guys, it are ripe. This one look how nice, and all of them are turned. This one almost ripe, this one turn. So guys, I'm just gonna roast them on the stove. Yes, one of the day me roast them out the wood fire shown, alright? So basically, you want me to burn. This not start burn it guys, so let it make it burn. We're not about to make it breadfruit junk. So burn it, and when you see it like, look, hashes color like, we're gonna flip it over, continue to rotate it until when it well roast. Alright, I come back and peel it. I don't know what I'm gonna eat it with, maybe some breadfruit and salt. I do the thing tonight, yeah? Alright, because out the door dark. I'm showing outside, guys. Move this here. See there? A darkness out there, guys. You see that? It's dark out there. Alright. I'll show you out there tomorrow. Alright guys, so we're gonna turn you over so.
Turn by the side. You can spin it by the side, go right, no?
You need to turn it on the bottom and then you turn it on, no?
Turn by the side, go right, go and then last.
Oh, each to his own. Alright guys, you can turn it on the side. You turn it on the side, you hear that guys?
Right.
We'll be back. This is the breadfruit, it done. Me go live and show them the next one. But anyhow, tomorrow I'm gonna continue this part of the video. I'm gonna maybe cook up some baked bean and saltfish or some ackee and saltfish, we don't know yet. And we're gonna finish this part of the video. But over here, I cut one already, and this is how it's looking, guys. We just eat it like that with some salt. It's so ripe and nice. Oh God, nice. Oh my God. Oh, turn. See you guys. Bye. Alright guys, we're just peeling the breadfruit. We're gonna fry it. These are the ripe one. So I'm just finishing up this little video. Oh. Oh. Man, you cut off your hand. Come you can't carry a hospital a lockdown. You don't know? You know?
I know.
Okay, so be careful.
The breadfruit is big.
You know, so you like big? No? Oh, I mean like big. Oh, sorry.
Don't mix me up.
And look on it, look, you see how ripe it be?
Can I get a clean towel to hold that top part there?
You want when I blue one to cut it on? We get when I blue one. And you don't peel. Alright guys, we're cutting it. We don't need to use 1/4 or half, right? Use a big breadfruit. We're not gonna use all of it, guys, I'm telling you. Oh, you're cutting it over. Ooh. Oh, it smells ripe. Oh my God. It smells so good. No, you don't need that. You don't need that one there. Oh, yeah, go cut it up on that. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. It's so soft. Wee. It gummy. A gummy or glammy? Which one? Glammy.
You have some curry chicken there, can't you?
You have some curry chicken? So that means we now have to cook then this at dinner?
No.
Wow.
You can cut them up and store them in a container.
Alright, we're gonna fry up the first batch, right?
Put that in.
Alright guys, I have some extra virgin cold press. I'm gonna use it because I can't use the regular oil, guys. So I'm not gonna use much either. Guys, you can sprinkle the salt before or after. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Because the breadfruit already turned, so you don't need much salt, right, Guston?
Before.
Yeah. And some put it on after. I put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I don't want too much. Guys, may I tell you, the breadfruit's soft. And how many days it's in the fridge, Weston? Like 2 days? Oh my goodness. So we're just gonna fry up some. I'm gonna fry a set with the olive oil, and I'm gonna fry the rest for my husband with the regular oil because I don't want. Okay. Fry one more piece. Fry the fat piece. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna fry up these with the olive oil. We're only frying half of it, guys, for my husband. Like we're doing half. Huh? So after it's golden brown, give it about 2 minutes on each side. Okay. I want to fry a little bit more. All right, we're gonna spin over this one. I think it's not even. It's even. Okay. What's wrong with it? Turn over. All right, guys. So just go ahead and spin them over. Yeah, fry them up nicely. Them two, they want to fry some more. All right, guys. So basically, after you fry them up how you want them, just get some paper towel and you're gonna set them on meat. Oh my God, breadfruit so soft and nice. Nothing wrong with this stuff. Alright, guys. So that's that. I like to drain the excess oil off, like so. All right, I'm gonna fry up the rest of them, guys, and we're gonna come back. We say breadfruit turn on nice. All right, guys, so basically this is our breadfruit and this is the final stage. All right, and we have some curry chicken leftovers and we're gonna share some now, right? All right. Oh, and we have some avocado, pear. Jamaican people say pear. Pear make you pop in the ear. You know that, person? You know that? Mm-hmm. If you want a lot, no matter because I camera, you're gonna be shy, okay? Just tell me what you want. You want some for later?
That's enough.
That's okay, boss. Okay. Come over here. Hold the time. So guys, this is just some leftover. That's enough? Something like that?
Mm-hmm.
That's good? Do some of the gravy.
That's good.
That's good. You want no gravy? Alright, that's good. Over here. And I'm gonna put some avocado. Why it's so hard to peel? Oh, so when you put in the fridge, it's hard to peel. Mm-hmm. I don't know why. Oh, his skin must have soft when you go in the fridge, you know. Guys. I know, we get that out. I'm going to take a picture with you.
What you doing?
No, after. Yeah, that's not true, you know. When you go, once you go in the fridge, it's hard to peel.
I told you.
I don't know why. Anyhow. Anyway, how we are trying to do it. Alright, so that's that. So that's it. I'm gonna share mine after, but this is just for my husband. This is the final result, right, of my turned almost ripe roast breadfruit, and then we fried with some avocado and some leftovers curry chicken. All right, guys, and that's it. Love upon me and I love upon you. Yeah, yummy.